Welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be talking about this Grecell T1000 power bank. This thing is a beast. When I need to power a light and there's no plug to plug the light in, this thing comes in handy. If you're new here, we have over 200 videography related videos, so lots of content for you to learn from. And if you want to know any of the gear or the music we use to make our videos, I've left all links in the description. Let's jump in. So this is the Grecell T1000. This is not a sponsored video. They did not send this to me. I did buy this. This is something that I've used for about a year now. And I always tend to, wait a little bit, test a product out before I actually review it and, recommend it. And I would highly recommend this for anyone looking to do any off-grid type shoots where there's no power, or if you want something that while you're driving a car you can easily charge, let's say your drone batteries while you go to the next location, or your camera batteries, or your cell phones or laptops. This thing is so handy for those reasons. So let's talk about some of the features that it has. So on the front, it has two standard power plugs. That's basically your AC output. That's where you'd plug in like any of your lights or any of your other devices. Besides that, it has three USB ports as well as a USB-C port for charging and powering different devices. Besides that, it has one of those car lighter ports, and it even has a light that you can turn on to brighten up sort of the immediate area. That's great for, let's say, setting this up inside a tent, and then you'll have a little work light. Besides the DC input, which is how you charge the battery with the provided power cable, it also has a PV input, which can be used with solar panels. And I actually did buy a pack of solar panels. It's like this folding solar panel kit. You can use that, let's say, out camping, and when plugged in, this can be recharged in about 7 or 8 hours, which is pretty cool. I mean, if you're out camping, you're away from an area where you can't charge anything, being able to just connect some solar panels to this and have it fully charged just based on free energy from the sun. It is very portable. It has the handle at the top. The model number is T1000, and that is because it is a 1000 kilowatt hour power bank. That will power like an Amaran 60X or 100X for like several hours. It will charge all of my drone batteries. I have 4 drone batteries. It'll charge all those to 100%. It can charge my phone many times over. And of course, you could use this for things like camping, where you are plugging like a mini fridge into it, or like an electric fryer to like cook food. There are so many different use cases for this, and it's come in handy so many times. For example, I was doing a drone shoot where we were behind this giant factory, and because of what we were filming, these giant machines, we couldn't actually get close to the building. We just had to get sort of like exterior wide shots and flybys. Unfortunately, where we were set up, we had no way of charging any batteries, and we were supposed to be filming all day. So I brought this out and was able to use all the drone batteries for what I needed for a few hours. And as I cycled through every battery, I could make sure the first one that I burned through was being charged up again by this one. For situations like that, it was perfect. And I actually remember like 10 plus years ago, I was doing this horror style short film out in the woods. If I had this, I mean, the technology didn't really exist back then, but if I had this back then, I could have done so many more shots. What we ended up doing is literally running hundreds of feet of AC cable, of extension power cables. It just took forever to set up. Our production manager had to like contact the neighbors, and yeah, it just was not like an easy thing to get done. So these things can really come in handy for situations like that. And like I said, this is a 1000 watt hour power bank. That means that for 1 hour, it will give you 1000 watts of power. Or if your device is drawing less than 1000 watts, you can multiply that by the hours. So let's say if it's 500 watts, that'll give you 2 hours, 250 watts give you 4 hours. For something like the Amaran 60X light, that's 60 watts of power. And just doing some quick math, that's gonna give you between, let's say, 10 and 15 hours of total use, which is pretty amazing. In terms of the reliability, I've never had any issues with this. I've owned this for about a year, maybe a little more than a year now. And like I said, I've used this dozens of times on fully paid commercial shoots. It's worked perfectly, as well as out doing camping trips. There are other power banks you can get that are more expensive or less expensive, that have more power and less power. but I decided to go with this one because it had good reviews and because I think 1000 watt hours is like a good middle ground for what I would typically need on like a one-day shoot, or if I go out camping and want to charge like an iPad and some phones, or have a light for us, or to cook something on a electric frying pan. If I went with something smaller, it wouldn't have really enough power, and if I went with something bigger, the unit itself would be far too heavy to carry, whereas this one is like, it's a little bit heavy, but it's still very portable, but gives you a pretty decent amount of power. So that's it for this review of the Grecell T1000 power bank. Again, this is not sponsored, but I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick up the exact one that I'm using. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from us in the future. We have over 200 videography related videos, so lots of content for you to learn from. And if you want to know any of the music or the gear we use to make our videos, I've left all links in the description as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.